How to create a Progressive Insurance online account. So if you want to create a Progressive Insurance online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar you have to search for Progressive Insurance online account. And after searching, here on the first search you will have login and manage your policy. You have to simply click on that. And now to create, you have to click on login, which is on the upper right corner. And now from the login page, you have to click on register, which is on the bottom of your screen. And from here, you can create your account. So first you have to enter your policy number. And after entering your policy number, you have to enter your last name. And then you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering your date of birth, you have to enter your mailing zip code. And then you have to click on continue. And on the next step, you have to enter your name and your address and all of that, your information. And then on the last step, you have to simply enter your login credentials. And that's it. That's the way to create your account on Progressive Insurance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.